Vania Muliana, and I am Kimberly Tumober as Vania's partner. Today we want to demonstrate about how to make milk tea. For the ingredients, we need warm water, ice cube, 2 spoons of sugar, tea, vanilla liquid milk, and cookies. For the tools, we need a glass and a spoon. And next, for the steps, the first, take 2 spoons of sugar into the glass. And the second, pour the vanilla liquid milk into the glass as much as you want. Next, take one of the tea bag and put in the glass. Then, pour the warm water and stir it together. You can guys see the process, it is so easy. So you guys can follow this at home. And after that, add some ice cubes and cookies. And finally, your milk tea is ready to serve. And that's all from us. And I want to say thank you. Bye bye.